Alright, the garbage man showed up and made a ton of noise, so I shut the camera off. While I was at it, I noticed the ETX was leaking all the water out of it, so now I have to figure out what is making the ETX leak. But we'll look for that leak in a minute. Right now, I started up the EM2 because I did trim the fuel line that split, and so while I wait for the new stuff to come, I'm gonna and of course my long lever that I had on there also popped off, but we'll see if it will run generator number 1 here. Oh, nope, I did not have this right, and it's still in frame. Cool. Alright. Well, that generator number 1, even though it's all run in, is clearly too much for the EM2. Oh. Alright. I guess we'll just let the EM2 go. Alright, we'll just watch the EM2 run out of fuel then, since I got it started, and we'll have to figure out a way to get the generator working on that. But I guess, yeah, and then the ETX is leaking, so we get a lot of fun to work on.